Hi, my lovely learners. Today we are going to solve this problem. We have to find the value of r, which is the radius of the green circle inside this trapezium. You can see all the sides of the trapezium are touching the circle. So all the sides of the trapezium are tangents to the circle. So here we will be applying the tangent properties of circles as well to find out the value of r. So first of all, you can see these tangents are this tangent you can see is touching the circle here. This tangent, which is also the side of trapezium, is touching the circle here. This tangent to circle is side of trapezium and touching the circle here. This side touching the circle. So all of these are tangents. So first of all, let's see what the radius of circle do with the tangent. So whenever a tangent and the radius of circle are attached, you can see here there is a formation of an angle which is right angle. So you can see there is an application of property that the radius is perpendicular to tangent. It is property of the circles or tangents. The radius is always perpendicular to tangent. Similarly, you can see if I will produce this line in this direction, here again it is radius and it is perpendicular to tangent. It is radius as well. So here we can produce a line which is also radius and it is perpendicular to tangent. And again you can see from here it is radius and it is perpendicular to tangent. It is radius. Okay. For finding the value of r, we will have to do some more things to make it clear. Okay, one thing is clear, that this length of the side here is now it is r and it is r, because this one this r and this r, or you can see that this whole is diameter of the circle and this is diameter of the circle. So we can say, or we can label it as this side as 2r. We can draw a straight line parallel to this one, which is 2r here, and if it is perpendicular here, so it will be parallel to 2r. It will be parallel to this side. So these both sides are parallel and equal now. So I will make little sides here, this one. So now this side has become 2r. So other two sides of the triangle which is here, now you can see that this triangle and here it is right angle. This triangle can help us to find the value of r. Because it is right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem to solve it for r. But before starting the application of Pythagoras theorem, we must need to find out the sides of this triangle, these three sides. So one side is there which is 2r now, and here it is labeled here. Other two sides are left now, this one and this one. So these both sides we can find by doing some little work over here. So you can see that let's see the side here. This full side is 7. This full side is equal to 7. So unit is not there, only 7 we are talking. And you can see this part of the line till here is equal to 3, because these both lines, this one and this one, are parallel, and here you can see the all right angles are here, and it is a rectangle, so opposite sides in a rectangle are equal. So this side is 3 now, and you can see what is the length of this one. So it will be 4 centimeters, or 4 only, it is 4. So we have found the other side of the triangle, which is 4 now. So what is left now? We have to find the length of this whole side. So this whole side is consisting of this part of the line, this one, this side, and this side and this side. You can see that these both are equal in length, because these are the tangent from the same external point. This one, the external point, and these both tangents are produced from that external point, and these both points are touching the circle here and here. So one more thing we have to look at is the, you can see here it is radius, and the length of this portion starting from here till here is 7 minus r, because this part is r, till here it is r, and this one is equal to this, and it is 7 minus r. So if it is 7 minus r, this one, so it is tangent to the circle and touching the point at here, so this tangent is equal to this one till here. So these both tangents are equal in length, so we can say that this portion is equal to 7 minus r. So it is 7 minus r, but here you can see this is a tangent and this is a tangent as well, and this full length is 3, but it is till here it is r, so this tiny part of this line will become 3 minus r. It is 3 minus r. So it is 3 minus r as well. So this part, this is another tangent from same external point. It is an external point, and it is one tangent is here and other tangent is here. So these both tangents are equal in length. Therefore, we can say it is also 3 minus r. Now you can see this full line is equal to 3 minus r, and this part of it is till here, till from here is 7 minus r, which is already labeled. So this full line is equal to the sum of 3 minus r and 7 minus r. So we can write it as 10 minus 2r. Here you can see we have got the length of all the sides of this triangle. Now we can label those sides. So this one is 4, this one is 2r, and this one is now 10 minus 2r, which we have got here. So we can label it here as 10 minus 2r. Finally, we have got all the sides of the triangle, which can help us to find out the value of r. Now we have got the triangle which is right angle triangle. The side which is opposite to right angle is hypotenuse, and other two sides are base and height. Here we will be applying the Pythagoras theorem. It will become 10 minus 2r square is equal to 4 square plus 2r square. Now we will simplify it. This can be written as 10 minus 2r into 10 minus 2r, and 4 squared is equal to 16, 2 squared is equal to 4, and r squared. Here we can multiply these both. First of all, we will multiply 10 with 10, and then we will multiply 10 with 2r, and it will give us 10 will multiply 10 is equal to 100, and 10 multiplied 2r will be minus 20r. Then we will multiply 2r with 10, and then 2r with minus 2r, and it will become 2r multiplied 10, it will give us minus 20r, and 2r multiplied 2r will give us plus 4r squared is equal to 16 plus 4r square. Here you can notice we have got 4r square and 4r square on both sides with similar symbol, which is positive. It means we can cancel out r's 4r square and 4r square here, and we will be left with 100 minus 40r is equal to 16. Now here it will become minus 40r is equal to, we will subtract 100 on the right hand side, and left hand side 100 will cancel out. Here we can write minus 40r is equal to minus 84. Now r is equal to minus 84 over minus 40r. Negative symbol will cancel out, and here I have made a mistake, r is not there because we are going to find the value of r. So r is equal to, if you will look at that, it will cancel out with the table of 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, and 0. It will give us 21 over 10, and 21 over 10 finally will become 2.1. So it is the value of r which is required for this part of the question. So hopefully you have got the method which I have explained. With little practice you can become perfect in these type of questions. Wish you very best of luck. Thank you for listening.